For this project, you're gonna need some fake rubber snakes. I got this headband from the dollar store, and then you'll need some metal twist ties. These are also at craft stores, dollar stores, but ours we got from the garden center. You'll also need some spray paint, whichever colors you'd prefer. I'm gonna do black and then spray a little bit of gold on top. I'm also gonna need my pliers, scissors, and glue gun. I took everything off of the headband, so now it's just plain. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the snake like this, and the part of the body that touches the headband is where we're gonna put our tie. And then once you have it, you can either cut that off, or what I'm gonna do is just bend it, because we are gonna spray paint this so you won't see it. And as you can see, it kind of twisted, so I'm gonna bend it back. There we go. So we want it like that. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, and I'm gonna go around, and then we'll start weaving them together. All right, so I got the base done, so you can see I've got it going all the way around. Now what we're gonna start doing is we're gonna start sticking them up a little higher and weaving them into the other ones. So you can stick them inside these little ties that you already have. So we'll put that right in here. I'm just gonna yank the tail so you can kind of see how it starts standing up. And then you can, what I'm probably gonna do is glue some of these to each other so it stays like that. As you're working on this, if you see that you need to, like for this one, I want it to go straight up, or maybe if you want it to go to the side where it sticks out more, but you don't have anywhere to tie it, definitely just keep adding more of these twist ties as you need it. All right, so I'm starting to get the shape that I want now, but you can see some of these are pretty loose, and so what I need to do is glue them to each other, and I'm also gonna put some glue here where these twist ties are to just get everything secure before I add anything else. If pieces fall, like you can see this one's falling, what you can do is glue it to another one that is staying still. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue right here, and then I'm gonna put that head on top of it, so now it kind of supports it. So now I have this flipped over, and you can see I have one right here that I glued down to the 3 sticking up, and this is giving it more support. So I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna do the same thing all across. I have about 4 or 5 of these left, and this is just gonna really help these ones sticking up so they don't fall over. So I'm gonna glue all of these so that all these ones are attached. All right, so I've got it all glued down, and now I'm gonna do a shake test. All right, I think I've got it pretty much where I want it. Before I spray paint it, I'm gonna do a shake test. So we're gonna give it a little shake. If you look on this side, it's not really moving, okay, but these ones are right here. So that means I need more support here somewhere. So I'm gonna glue a couple more pieces together and see if we can give it more support. All right, so now you can see if I do a shake test, it's a lot more secure. So now it is ready to be spray painted. When you're spray painting this, it is better to just do a little bit at a time, let it dry, and do multiple coats, so that way it doesn't drip or anything like that. And then you can definitely add a little bit of gold on top like I am here, so it gives it kind of a metallic shimmery look. Some people also like to do this in like a dark green, but either way, it's just a cute little costume that you can do really quick. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video.